What's going on, everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video we're going to talk about YouTube affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you a blueprint on how you can start making up to $100 per day or more with YouTube affiliate marketing and so much more great stuff. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the video, you guys. My name is Marissa Romero, and if it is your first time to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button because every day I'm posting content pretty much just like this with all things relating to making money online. Whether you're trying to start a side income or build up a full-time income to replace your 9-to-5 job, there's something here on this channel for everybody, whether you're a beginner, intermediate online marketer, or even advanced. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the like button if you get value out of this video. So what I wanted to talk about today is something that I love, something that I do full time, and that is YouTube, and that is making money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, which I believe hands down is the best way to make money online. Now, the reason why I love YouTube so much is because I believe it's the #1 way to create a side hustle, to build a brand, to build an audience, to help out your business, whether it's offline or online. I love YouTube. It's something I'm doing daily. As you can see in my channel, I'm posting very consistently, giving tips and tricks for making money online. But on this video, I wanted to talk about specifically YouTube affiliate marketing. And if you guys are willing to put in the work, you will be very excited and pleased with the results if you stick to it for the first 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. You'll be super pleased on how your YouTube channel is going if you pick a frequency and post and stick with it for an entire year. So let's go ahead and get started with kind of the nuts and bolts on how to build a YouTube channel, first of all. So I have more in-depth training that I'll talk about later on in this video on building a YouTube channel, but just go to basically youtube.com. You have to have a Gmail account and you can start a YouTube channel that way. But I wanted to kind of skip to after you have your YouTube channel created, after you've decided what niche you want to be in. You have a banner created like this here. So this right here is called a YouTube banner. You have a nice profile picture and you've kind of thought about what kind of thumbnails you want to have. The next thing you want to do after you have your YouTube channel is you want to figure out what kind of content to create. So what I always advise people is to go to google.com and to input the free tool. It's called Keywords Everywhere. Oops. Keywords Everywhere. And just, you can put Chrome extension, and it is a free app that you can add on Google Chrome, and it allows you to see the search volume and for SEO purposes on both Google and YouTube, the search volume per keyword, no matter what it is you're typing in. So let me show you an example. And as you can see, that's what the Chrome extension looks like right there, the keyword tool. And let me show you guys why and how this works and why you would need it. So let's say you're looking up how to do makeup. Okay, so you see how to do makeup with this tool. It has to do with, so you can see with Keywords Everywhere and using this tool, the search volume for how to do makeup. That has a huge search volume of 40,000 people per month. And as you can see, it gives you suggestions and drop downs of all these keywords that are related to that keyword. So if I'm getting started and I'm making a channel in the beauty niche, like beauty and makeup and that type of thing, I'm going to create content and videos around all of these keywords right here because YouTube is telling you these are what people are searching for that have to do with makeup. Maybe let's narrow it down to, or even just put in makeup and see what comes up. So makeup tutorial for beginners, makeup collection, makeup fails. So you can get a Google Doc, open this up, just jot down all of the keywords that are in your niche and that you feel like excited and knowledgeable about to do videos on. And I would just go through these one by one, create a video on all of them, and schedule them to be posted, maybe 3 times a week to start, if you can handle 3 times a week. Now, I advise everybody always to aim to post every day on their YouTube channel, because YouTube rewards frequency, it rewards consistency like crazy, okay? So that was my first tip of focusing on the keywords that people are searching for. Now, once you figure out what niche you're in and you know what you want to do, you have your titles ready. Also, for those of you that are unsure of what type of channel to create, you want to base it around a passion that you have. So for example, I picked out a couple of YouTube channels that are really cool. This channel right here is called Postal Barbecue. This guy is giving out, making videos on barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. This is super cool. And he had a video down here called Barbecue Accessories for him, and that has some links with affiliate products in there. They're Amazon products, barbecue tools, and they are Amazon linked affiliate products. So what that means is, if I go back to Google, you can become an affiliate of Amazon, and all you have to do is go to Amazon Associates. You can apply to be an affiliate with Amazon, so you can promote any product you want to on Amazon and create and have a special link created with your affiliate link to sell a specific product. In that case, it was barbecue tools. So what this guy did was he tried to rank for, which is a great idea, the best grilling accessories and gifts for dad. So he has 2 keywords in here, or 3 actually: barbecue accessories, the best grilling accessories, and gifts for dad. So that was a pretty cool video. And as you can see, he has all the affiliate links to his barbecue accessories down in the description. Let's take a look at another niche. This woman right here, Heather Torres, she is in the homeschool niche. So there's a bunch of moms out there that love to homeschool their kids, or maybe are interested in it. So she creates content on homeschooling, like here, getting started with homeschool, best books for homeschool moms. I guarantee she has some affiliate links for homeschool books. All right, let's take a look at this channel. This guy is a credit guy, a money guy, I think, from first glance. He's talking about credit repair, building your perfect credit, creating massive sorry guys, can't even talk today, accelerating unlimited cash flow. So let's say maybe you have a skill in credit repair or accounting or in the finance niche. This is pretty cool because maybe there's not a ton of affiliate or Amazon products that he can promote besides maybe books or other type of academic things that are published that you can sell. But maybe there's ClickBank's products that you can sell based in the money niche, in the finance niche, and he could put those links in here. But yeah, his channel is so big and well known that he probably has partnerships with other companies and gets paid for collaborations and all that kind of stuff. So let's look at 1 more or 2 more. Bright side. This channel, if you are scared or not willing to get on camera or not even willing to narrate a video, here is a perfect example of a channel that is completely narrated. So these videos, let's look at this for example. There's no one actually in front of the camera. These are all...
Or putting a roller that's too soft under your neck.
So these are all videos that are created especially for whatever topic they're going after. And you can have this done. It will be an investment, but you can have this done where you have different, cartoon videos created for you, or in this case, I'm not even sure what you call this, but you have, certain animation videos created for you and have a narrator. So they could create any video they want and outsource people narrating the video and doing voiceovers. So that is pretty cool. The other cool thing about a channel like this is once you grow it to, wow, 14 million subscribers, once it grows and let's say you want to sell it, you can, sell this like any other business and get a really nice chunk of change with this YouTube channel, okay? So, check out this channel if you want ideas on how to do that. And then this other channel that I love is called Think Media. Technology is one of the hottest niches if you're into camera reviews and stuff like that. This guy, all he does is do reviews on different cameras, lenses, GoPros, laptops, any type of accessory that goes with cameras. He reviews it and gives great value on it and has the links to his Amazon affiliate links to these products in the description in his videos. So that is really cool. Which brings me to my next tip with YouTube affiliate marketing. You want to create videos where people are in the right mindset. So the reason why vlogging and those type of videos don't really work for monetization as well as videos and channels like this is because when people are looking at vlogs and that type of video, they're in the mood of wanting to be entertained, wanting to watch something. They're not really in the mood of wanting to buy. So you have to think about what people are going to want to buy, whether that's in the camera niche, buying some type of makeup, any type of product where they're thinking about buying. Maybe it's in the fitness niche and people are looking at blender reviews and they watch a video that you did a review on a juicer or a blender, that type of thing. They're in the mood to buy because they want to find out more information about it. So that's my second tip, is to create value or create videos where people are in the buying mindset. Like right here, this same guy on another channel that he created did a video called Best Christmas Laser Lights. So this is ranked #1 and it'll stay #1. But during Christmas and in the holiday season, people are very interested in
fits my schedule, fits my budget, fits my
buying laser lights. So he did a review on these lights, 3 outdoor laser Christmas lights, and was able to capitalize on the affiliate side with different affiliate links to these laser lights. So that's what I mean when I talk about creating a video where people are in the buying mindset. So people are obviously in the buying mindset when they're looking at which laser lights to buy for Christmas. So last and final tip I wanted to give was make sure you give a call to action in your videos. So maybe what that looks like is like if you're doing a barbecue channel, maybe your call to action is, check out my free recipe guide in the link in the description below. Maybe if it's Heather and you're talking about homeschool tips, maybe your call to action is check out the link in the description that talks more about how you can take your kids from public school to homeschool, whatever it is, whatever lead magnet it is you're giving away. Or maybe it's directly to buy the product below, like get 50% off when you purchase this product in the link below today. That is how you maximize on your profits with YouTube affiliate marketing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for today. If you guys are interested in more on this exact topic, I do offer a course on affiliate marketing and building it up with YouTube. It is my Affiliate Freedom Academy. You can see all the details in the description below to find out all about it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. I hope this video was helpful and you learned a thing or two. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.